Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are safe and doing good. Okay, now my topic is about the master gland of the endocrine system. It's nothing but the pituitary gland and its hormones. Before going to the topic, what is this pituitary gland? What, where, and how it functions. These three aspects matters a lot. What is this pituitary gland? Pituitary gland is nothing but it is a small sized pea-shaped gland that is weighing about 0.5 grams. Where it is found? Next question. It is found in the region of the Celatasica, just beneath the hypothalamus and attached to the infundibulum. Okay. And how it functions. As I have told you that it is called as the master gland and it controls the whole endocrine system, means its hormones. How it functions, I will tell it later. But before that, pituitary gland, it's a rough diagram. It is divided into two types, that is the anterior lobe as well as the posterior lobe. Fine. This anterior lobe is also known as adenohypophysis. And the posterior lobe is also known as neurohypophysis. So here is the hypothalamus. And in that intermediate of these two lobes, there is the presence of another lobe that it comes in the CET and NEET question, that is the intermediate lobe. Fine. This anterior lobe or the adenohypophysis, it secretes certain hormones, that is nothing but STH, ACTH, ICSH, and it comes FSH and LH, TSH. STH is nothing but it is the growth hormone. It is also known as somatotropic hormone. It is directly responsible for the growth in an individual. ACTH, adenocorticotropic hormone, it releases the cortisol. ICH is nothing but interstitial cell stimulating hormone, where it secretes two hormones, FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, as well as in male as in the female, and LH, luteinizing hormone. TSH is nothing but thyroid stimulating hormone. This is a common. TSH is nothing but thyroid stimulating hormone. It is common in male and female, but here the combination of T3 and T4 will result in the TSH. T3 is nothing but triiodothyroadenine and tetraiodothyroadenine makes the TSH. Excess release of TSH will cause the goiter. And the posterior lobe, if I will come here, it will secrete two hormones. One is nothing but ADH, or commonly known as vasopressin, antidiuretic hormone, and the second one is the oxytocin. It is the brief review about the pituitary gland and its hormones. In the next session I will explain thoroughly about the hormones of anterior lobe as well as the posterior. Even the intermediate lobe secretes one hormone, that is MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone, which is responsible for the coloration, means the skin color, the melanin pigment. Fine. Okay, lastly, the conclusion. As I have told you, pituitary gland is the master gland. Fine. So everyone says it is the big boss. No, it is only the boss. Someone controls this pituitary as well. If I am the master, if I am the best master, then there is someone who controls me. That is my father. Exactly like that. Pituitary, for the pituitary gland, there is master of the master gland which controls the whole pituitary. That is nothing but the hypothalamus. Hope you understood my session. I will continue in the next further class. Thank you.